Phase 1. You've got to use the Roman numerals.
Oh yeah, because there's two. Because it's like PMAT,
Well, I'm going
PMAT.
to change it in just a minute.
Before and after pictures, you know?
No, you didn't complete it. Phase 1.
Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize.
Since you're all photographing it.
Wait, so what's the exact difference between diploid and haploid?
Now we're working with 2 chromosomes. Okay?
Meaning dipole.
1, 2.
Yeah.
So this is diploid.
Okay.
Now, if you had 46 chromosomes, then you would be working with 46 chromosomes. So we're just simplifying this.
Okay.
Okay, so 1, 2 is the number of chromosomes.
So that's diploid, and then
This is diploid, so this is another way to put it down is 2N. You'd write 2N down for this.
so what about for the mitosis? Would the last stage be diploid or haploid?
It's always considered to be diploid. I know briefly when it's separating like this, it may look like it's quadruploid or something.
Okay.
But during anaphase, it's briefly. But like, move this right here. We count 1, 2 chromosomes diploid.
Okay.
Once it separates into the 2 cells,
Uh-oh. That's not good.
They're disabled.
It died.
they always do. And let's just say that's 2 cells. This is diploid. This is diploid. When you undergo mitosis, you want to be sure you don't lose chromosome numbers.
Yeah.
Now, the thing that confuses people is sometimes they think that this is 1 chromosome and that's 2 chromosomes.
No, 'cause
Oops,
they
it's not. That's actually a single chromosome. It's a replicated chromosome. It's got twice as much DNA, but it's still 1 chromosome because it's 1 molecule.
Okay.
When it separates, that's 1 chromosome and that's 1 chromosome. So that's why it stays diploid.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
And the confusion is this replicated chromosome. Really, for fun, go ask some senior biology students and ask them, draw the picture and see if they know it's diploid or haploid. And, you know, you can ask them, you said, is this diploid? And they'll tell you that, yeah, that's diploid. It's not. That's 1 chromosome. Ask them how many chromosomes are this. They'll tell you 2. It's really 1. Now it's 2. So.
Understood.
They're confused. All right, now, let's go to the next stage then. Then what happens is, I'm going to do it this direction, this way. Then you undergo through metaphase 1.
Pull apart.
They start pulling apart, just like metaphase over here. Okay, that's no different. So this is metaphase
2.
1.
It's a good question. God.
Metaphase 1. And this is getting pulled this direction, that's getting pulled that direction.
That's been fibers, right?
Now, once the 2 cells undergo cytokinesis, which we just did right here, actually, make sure it looks really pretty, good photography, because they're separating this way. Now, this is haploid. We started off with 2 chromosomes, and now we have just 1. So this is 1N right here.
What stage would that be?
This would be prophase 2, because you're going into the next cycle.
Oh, okay.
Because we have 2 cells now.
And then at the beginning of this one, it was prophase 1?
1.
Okay.
So prophase is when they get pulled apart, right?
Completely.
Completely pulled apart.
No.
No, the cells separate.
Separate.
The pulling apart's anaphase.
Anaphase, okay.
So the 2 separate
So
cells.
right now,
is
this is
prophase.
anaphase. So right now, this was metaphase 1. That is anaphase 1. And then over here is prophase 2. Prophase 2.
Does cytokinesis happen before prophase 2?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what makes it prophase 2, because cytokinesis is when you've got the 2 cells separated. Okay?
Just chilling.
Now, we go through one more cell division. You know, we're in the second stage. Now, these separate, which you see right here. This right here is anaphase 2. And now that's the conclusion of anaphase 2. That is the gamete formation.
So this is anaphase 2, or this is anaphase 2?
That's anaphase 2.
2, and then that is?
Telophase?
That's telophase, right? Telophase 2.
Telophase 2. Now, the cell membranes have formed. You actually have new gametes. Now, how does the book describe it? Does it describe telophase as the complete separation? I thought it was where they begin to separate.
I'm not sure.
I
not
have
sure either.
terminology for that. I don't think you have completed cytokinesis in telophase.
That's what it said.
Right. That's completed. See, I've got the new cells formed.
Yeah.
So therefore, that's not telophase 2. Telophase 2 would be pinching off like this. And it's an animal cell. That would be telophase 2. Anaphase, and now it's telophase 2 right there. And then finally, of gametic formation. Now, if we start off with a total of 1 spermatocyte, it's called a primary spermatocyte, how many gametes do you get?
4.
4. So it's a 1 to 4 ratio always. Okay?
Sounds good.
So, ask more questions, anything else you need. But a real clue on the lab exam is to look for this exchange right here. That'll be half the battle if you know that you're in meiosis.
Meiosis is when they have 2 different colors.
When they have 2 different colors and they've exchanged.
Okay.
And then if the homologous chromosomes are together, you'll know you're generally going to be in the first phases. The second phase is where the sister chromatids separate.
When does the crossing over happen?
Prophase 1, right here.
Prophase 1.
That's the crossing over. And I'll have them on top of each other like this. I'll have it looking like that.
Gotcha.
So you can see that they're really tangled. And they're actually chromatin. And that adds to a lot more variety, so listen, that's a good thing.
And from prophase 2 on, they're all haploid.
Actually, prophase 2 on, they are haploid, yes. Right. And so, and actually, technically, when you are in telophase 1, it's still diploid because they're not separated yet. It's one cell.
Oh, okay.
Once the cells have separated, you're into the next prophase, and now they're haploid.
So once it goes through cytokinesis, is that?
Cytokinesis. Cyto means cell, kinesis means to move. So it means the cytoplasm's moving.
Okay. So once it goes through cytokinesis, then it goes to haploid.
Yes. Right, it goes to haploid.
What is one single one? Is that
Now, before, they're called sister chromatids. Once they're separated, they're now chromosomes. That's a chromosome, that's a chromosome, that's a chromosome.
and 2 together is a haploid?
It depends on how many chromosomes you have.
Okay.
Okay, so for instance, right here it's diploid, right here it's haploid.
Okay.
So it's not that they're together, it's how many are in the cell,
Okay.
is what it amounts to.
Alright.
Who was that?
So, you know, here it's pretty obvious that